Pi Network stands out in the cryptocurrency landscape by emphasizing a vision rooted in community participation and practical utility. The symbolic value of 1 pi equaling 3.4159 reflects not only a nod to the mathematical constant pi, but also the network's commitment to structured and sustainable growth. Rather than focusing on speculation, Pi Network encourages its users, known as pioneers, to actively contribute through app development, testing, and network engagement. This collaborative ethos transforms PiCoin from a mere digital asset into a tool for building real-world applications and decentralized systems. By fostering hands-on involvement, Pi Network aims to empower its community to shape the future of the Web3 economy. Pi Network's participatory model places its community, known as pioneers, at the center of the project's evolution. Rather than simply mining tokens, users are encouraged to engage in a variety of activities, from developing decentralized applications to testing new features and providing valuable feedback. This hands-on approach not only strengthens the network's infrastructure, but also equips participants with practical skills relevant to the broader Web3 ecosystem. By fostering active involvement, Pi Network ensures that its growth and resilience are driven by collective effort and innovation, making each pioneer a vital contributor to the platform's ongoing success. The symbolic assignment of 1 pi equaling 314,159 is deeply rooted in the mathematical constant pi, reflecting Pi Network's vision for precision and continuity. This figure is not just a number. It represents the network's dedication to structured, sustainable growth. By anchoring PiCoin to this value, the network signals its intention to move beyond speculation and focus on long-term utility. This symbolism also highlights Pi's ambition to serve as a foundational asset for future decentralized applications, where community participation and real-world use cases drive ongoing development. Within Pi Network, the pioneering mindset is a defining characteristic that sets the community apart. Users are encouraged to move beyond passive participation and instead take an active role in building and innovating within the ecosystem. This approach emphasizes the importance of developing applications, testing new features, and contributing feedback, fostering a culture of creativity and collaboration. By prioritizing hands-on engagement over short-term speculation, Pi Network empowers its members to directly influence the network's growth and long-term value. This collective effort ensures that the platform evolves in response to real-world needs and the aspirations of its global community. Pi Network serves as more than just a cryptocurrency platform. It functions as a practical learning environment for its users. By engaging in activities such as app development, transaction testing, and wallet management, participants gain first-hand experience with the core mechanics of decentralized networks. This hands-on approach equips users with valuable skills that are directly transferable to the broader Web3 ecosystem. As pioneers interact with real-world applications and contribute to network development, they build both technical expertise and confidence, preparing them for future opportunities in decentralized finance and governance. The journey from mining PiCoin to achieving mainnet readiness is designed to foster active participation and skill development among pioneers. By consistently engaging in mining, users become familiar with the network's mechanics, transaction validation, and basic governance principles. This hands-on experience ensures that, as the mainnet becomes fully operational, pioneers are well prepared to utilize PiCoin in real-world applications. Rather than simply accumulating tokens, participants gain practical knowledge that positions them for meaningful involvement and adoption within the expanding Pi Network ecosystem. Community-driven value creation lies at the heart of Pi Network's approach, emphasizing the power of collective participation. By involving users in app development, testing, and decentralized governance, The network ensures that growth is both sustainable and equitable. Each pioneer's contribution, from providing feedback to building new utilities, strengthens the ecosystem and enhances its resilience. This collaborative model not only distributes decision-making, but also fosters innovation, allowing the network to adapt and thrive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Pi Network's approach centers on strategic patience, prioritizing sustainable growth and long-term utility rather than immediate profits. By encouraging users to engage in skill development and active participation, the network aims to build a knowledgeable and resilient community. This philosophy supports network stability, as consistent involvement and holding of Pi coin signal confidence to both participants and potential partners. Rather than chasing short-term gains, Pi Network's strategy fosters a foundation for lasting value and practical applications within the evolving Web3 ecosystem. Pi Network transforms its vision into practical utility by integrating PiCoin into a range of decentralized applications, payment systems, and governance mechanisms. This approach allows users to move beyond simply holding the token, enabling them to participate in real-world transactions and contribute to decision-making processes within the network. By embedding PiCoin into everyday use cases, the network ensures that its value is grounded in tangible activities and services. This practical orientation not only enhances the coin's utility, but also fosters a vibrant ecosystem where community members can actively shape the future of the platform. Pioneers play a central role in shaping the evolution of Pi Network. By actively building applications, testing new features, and offering valuable feedback, they ensure the platform adapts to the real needs of its users. This hands-on involvement fosters a culture of innovation, where ideas are rapidly tested and refined within the community. Through their collective efforts, pioneers help create a resilient and adaptable network, positioning Pi Network for long-term growth and practical utility. Pi Network's global reach is anchored by a diverse and distributed community, with pioneers participating from all corners of the world. This broad base ensures that innovations and applications are tested across a variety of environments, enhancing the network's adaptability and resilience. United by shared principles, such as belief in the network's potential and a commitment to active engagement, members collaborate to drive development forward. This collective approach not only strengthens the network's infrastructure, but also fosters a culture of innovation and mutual support, making Pi Network robust and responsive to the needs of a global user base. Pi Network's true impact extends beyond the number of tokens mined or traded. Its success is measured by the depth of community engagement, the skills users develop, and the practical contributions they make within the ecosystem. By encouraging pioneers to participate in app development, testing, and decentralized governance, the network fosters hands-on learning and real-world utility. This approach ensures that PiCoin serves as a tool for innovation and collaboration, rather than merely a speculative asset. Ultimately, the collective efforts and active involvement of its global community are what drive the network's long-term value and resilience. Pi Network is dedicated to preparing its pioneers for the evolving landscape of Web3 by fostering hands-on experience in decentralized technologies. Through activities like mining, app testing, and active participation in community initiatives, users gain practical skills in decentralized finance, governance, and cross-chain interoperability. This approach ensures that pioneers are not just passive holders of PiCoin, but are equipped to contribute meaningfully to the broader Web3 ecosystem. By engaging with real-world applications and network governance, participants develop expertise that will be valuable as decentralized platforms continue to grow and integrate across various blockchain networks. Pi Network stands as a testament to the power of collective belief and active participation. By fostering a community-driven approach, it has successfully transitioned from a conceptual idea to a functional platform with real-world applications. The network's emphasis on sustainable growth ensures that value is built through consistent engagement, skill development, and innovation. Through the dedication of its global pioneer community, Pi Network continues to shape a decentralized future where every participant plays a meaningful role in driving progress.